the way that we use electricity has changed. Today, our homes power much more than just lights and appliances. We rely on energy for work, communication, security systems, internet access, air conditioning, refrigeration, and sometimes even transportation. And when the grid goes down, daily life can come to halt. That's why energy independence is becoming increasingly important to users. But let's break down some myths and realities. Myth number 1. Energy independence means going completely off-grid. Not necessarily. Many energy independent homeowners remain connected to the grid while using solar and battery storage to gain more control and resilience. Myth number 2. If I have already solar panels, that means I'm energy independent. Solar generation is only one part of the equation. Without energy storage, excess energy may not be available when you need it most, especially during outages or night hours. Myth number 3. Energy independence is just for remote locations. Today, homeowners and businesses in cities and also in remote locations are investing right now in energy storage solutions to improve reliability and reduce dependence on the grid. And this is where batteries and energy storage becomes important. Battery systems allows you to store energy for later use, providing backup power when needed and helping you maximize the value of your solar investment. And instead of relying entirely on the grid, you gain more flexibility, more reliability, and more peace of mind. At the end of the day, energy independence doesn't really mean disconnecting you from the entire world. It's about having more control over your energy. And remember, more flexibility, more resilience, and more confidence that your house or business can keep moving forward when it matters most. The best energy is the one that's available when you want to use it. So, what are you waiting for? Get to know all our energy storage solutions here in Fortress Power and become more energy independent today.